has flown to New York many times.
Yes.
Aunt Kim has had parties for our graduations. She has gone to one wedding.
Fly. Fly.
Does your
I have visited Cairo 3 times. It's a beautiful city. When I'm there, I always eat tons of good food and visit many museums.
This person says Cairo is great city. Cairo is the capital of Egypt, right?
Ben's graduation is next Friday. We will make barbecue after.
Family.
I always enjoy our family reunion.
I have not visited my hometown.
I visit my grandparents every year.
We have had several reunions at Amy's house.
I'm a grandparent.
My great-grandparents have had two parties. My great-grandparents have had two parties. Flown. We have had several reunions at Amy's house.